Hello everybody, we're back at Bicom Chats with Malcolm Turnbull. He is representative of Nova 9 Technologies. Malcolm, welcome to the Bicom Chats. It's great to have you here. He is, and Nova 9 Technologies are our representative in South Africa. Malcolm is the managing director and he has played a significant role in the South Africa tech evolution. This partnership has commenced in 2013 and the Bicom products had contributed to Nova 9 Technologies' remarkable growth. Malcolm has been innovating the IT space for over 13 years and he's a key player in an ever-evolving technology scene in South Africa for over past 3 decades. So Malcolm, welcome to the Partner Summit and welcome to the Bicom Chats. How do you like it here so far? What were your expectations for the Partner Summit? Did it meet up to your expectations?
Thank you, yes, it did. We came here last year and I've seen how the summit made a massive difference to our partners, providing technology updates, where we're going in the future, and they've delivered. So this year we've seen some of the development that they promised last year, and we're looking forward to taking back the new developments back into the market and showing the value it's going to be adding.
Yeah, I would really like to reflect on specifically this case in South Africa. I would really like to know what were specific challenges that are countered by introducing Bicom systems in the South African market that you can share.
South African market, they deregulated in the early 2000s, where a lot of the voice over IP players came to fruition, and through that a lot of homegrown development was done, especially when people looked around at pricing, the rand-dollar exchange rate. So we have a particular drive in the market where people are saying they cannot afford the international products because of the rand-dollar exchange. And Bicom came to the party. They came and they introduced the product. They were price sensitive. They understood that the markets were price sensitive for our particular region, and they helped us drive it through pricing and value adds and so forth. So through that, we've managed to get into the market, been able to tackle on some of the big guys, for example, your Teams environment, your 3CX environment, BroadSoft. So we've been able to go after those particular markets and add valuable products to the market to give the customers alternatives. And through that particular growth pattern and with Bicom's continual re-engineering of themselves, we've managed to secure a good presence within the South African market.
What were the aspects of PBXware specifically that initially caught your attention, that you were that you decided that you will choose Bicom systems?
With being in the market, one of the biggest issues is around about when you see an environment and you execute that environment, what does it do in the back end? Are you spending time writing code? Are you having a look, just double checking to say, if you execute a command, is it physically doing what it is? Bicom ticked all those boxes. The GUI was good. When you clicked on the GUI, it did what it meant to do. So your level of expertise wasn't, I needed a high level technician to go and deploy the particular product. It was simple and easy for the resellers to take on the particular product, take the engineers, click on a button, and it worked. It wasn't a case of it didn't work or you check. And that was the big selling point for us, is the ease of use and the way it presented itself to the customers.
As I mentioned, we've been working together since 2013 and over the years, and how have you witnessed the evolution of Bicom system products and how has this contributed to success in the market?
Leaps and bounds. I mean, when we first joined Bicom in 2013, we looked at our particular product going from serverware 1 to where we're sitting now, where you can do KVMs. We're looking at Glocom, which it wasn't pretty. In those days, it fitted the particular marketplace, but the leaps and bounds that they've done, adding meetings, adding the chat functionalities, adding all the emojis, everything in that, shows that they are a full UC environment, which again, if you look at the last 20, 30 years, majority of the clientele or the younger generation coming through, they're looking for those GUIs, they're looking for those value adds, they're looking for things that make life easier, that fit into a typical environment is your WhatsApp. Bicom have said we've taken the UC and we're making it almost like a a WhatsApp on steroids, if you want to put it that. And that's where the massive leap and bounds and change of environment, which attracts people to it, saying we are UC compliant, we are driving through to take care of the new generation that's coming through, not the old the traditional telephone systems.
I mean, considering of our everlasting, I mean, a long year partnership, you would say that collaboration is the key. And how has your relationship with Bicom system facilitated constant improvement in our products based on feedback and needs?
I think importantly it's both ways. Number one, Bicom have become very receptive to your input. They value your input. And the second thing is that we've also got to add value as well. As a partner, we've gone to our customers out there, find out what they want, passed it on to Bicom, they've listened. And through engagement, we've managed to do a lot of improvements. I'll give you a very simple concept, pin-based dialing. Pin-based dialing is only found in South Africa. It is not a product that is renowned throughout the rest of the world. And Bicom developed it, and it now is a key feature within the particular product. So they listened to our market, they delivered, and we could then take it to market to get customers.
Yeah, well, as our long-term partner, what aspects of Bicom system approach do you value the most? And I mean, speaking to the next partnerships, how would you explain to maybe our future partners what is the most valuable thing about this partnership?
Again, going about listening, growing, developing, understanding where the market is going. Bicom haven't turned around and said, this is the roadmap we're going, whether you like it or not. They're saying, where is your markets going? They're taking all the markets throughout the world and implementing it. So it's not about just a South African market, a US or European market, or even an Australian market. They're saying, as a product, we're taking all markets into consideration. People ask me, what is your selling technique versus your competitors out there? And I often say to them, IP is IP. If you're taking any IP-based system, they're all pretty much the same. We can all do the same things. Why? Because we're based on a base platform. I said, what your difference is Bicom was saying, we are prepared to walk the road with you. We're prepared to drive it with you. And through that, bringing all the UC particular products in. And that, to me, I said, you want to have a partner that has a roadmap that cares about you as a customer. And that's the value add that Bicom give to me and to my resellers.
Well, that's amazing. And I mean, considering that you already explained that, is there any customer success story, I mean, of course, not revealing the names, that you could share that you had with Bicom systems?
So one of the big driving forces that we've had is how do we bridge the large customers? Bicom have typically in market, and most IP systems have said, we're there to look after the 2 user right up to the 100, 200, 300 user environment and things. But what happens when you come across a customer who's got 5,000? Yeah. Bicom have said, how do we help you? So we've managed successfully to move one of our customers through a reseller from a competitive product with over 5,500 extensions into a Bicom environment and put it all together to deliver that to the customer so that they've got a seamless environment, improving their voice quality, improving their customer reactions. So automatically we've produced a product that gives them a lot better feel and productivity with their own environment.
Well, that's amazing. And talking about the future, considering that we have a very successful past, when we talk about the future, and we can wrap this up, what are your hopes and maybe aspirations that you hope to have, I mean, with Bicom systems?
If I look at it, it's really about the journey and where they're going, where they're taking the particular products. Our relationship with the product owners has been exceptional. And with that, the drive saying, we are going to develop the products further. We're listening to you. How do we make it bigger? How do we make it better? Maintaining the same value add to the customers at the end of the day, but providing more feature sets. If I look at the Glocon team, for example, the massive leaps and bounds they've made in the last year, the PBXware team that has driven PBXware to a new level, the contact center that's bringing all the omni-channels. And yes, the industry is screaming and shouting, we need more omni-channel, we need the drive. But the team's slowly taking the time and effort to make sure that when they deliver a world-class solution. And that's what I'm enjoying about this journey. I can continually see the improvement and the drive to succeed compared to other products out there that are just going by the mill and providing with the customers.
Well, Malcolm, I wish you best of luck with that. And, you know, this whole partnership, it really means a lot to us. And I wish you best of luck in the future and, you know, out there at the market. Thank you so much for coming to the Partner Summit. We really value your presence, and thank you so much for contributing in the Bicom chats. Have fun. Today is day 2 of Partner Summit, so I wish you successful networking and collaboration with us and all the other partners. And we wish to see you again maybe next year, because, you know, as Senat said, this kind of became a tradition that we will do this every year. So we wish to see you there and maybe share some other stories in a year or so. So thank you so much again for coming, and have fun in the next days.
Thank you very much. It's been a real pleasure.
Thank you.